The photo pass of the FA-18 Hornet.
Diving in now, looking for 235 miles an hour right at Airshow Center with the pull to the vertical. A full roll in one direction and now the shoulder roll. And now stopping 18 feet above the runway, right knife edge flight through ribbon number 1. Left knife edge through number 2. And now inverted disc thread that third and final ribbon. A maneuver performed by no one else in the world today.
Rhode flight, the Black Daggers have been engaged by hostile fire. Wolfpack flight will straight the drop. The crew of Rhode 01 has just demonstrated tactical assault landing capabilities of the 130J. This capability which allowed the 143rd Airlift Squadron to excel during military operations in Iraq, Africa, Bosnia, and most recently under the battle-damaged runways of Afghanistan, North Asia, and are currently preparing for a year-long deployment in Afghanistan. Black Hawk helicopter is a critical method of moving personnel and equipment onto the battlefield. In this day of roadside bombs and other dangers on the ground, aircraft successful bundles delivered on time, on target. Our warriors have just been re-engaged by the enemy. Medevac helicopters bound to rescue a wounded soldier. Location is marked with color smoke, signaling the wind direction and location where the Ranger medics are stabilizing the patient in preparation for air evacuation. Medevac helicopters are equipped with life-saving technology like an ambulance and are able to rapidly transport patients direct from the battlefield to medical facilities. Sometimes when terrain or the tactical situation does not allow the blackout to land,
Ladies and gentlemen, join me in a round of applause for the Rhodes, your Rhode Island Air National Guard 143rd Airlift Wing. And the D Company of the 126th Aviation Tactical Theater Airlift Company. A great round of applause for all the members, including the Black Daggers, in our combined arms demonstration today.
In that airplane in the night sky like shooting stars. I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Can we pretend that airplane in the night sky like
Thunderbird 7 from Hiram, Georgia, Staff Sergeant Brad Butler. And also joining us today, our Chief Enlisted Manager from Methuen, Massachusetts, Chief Master Sergeant Tom Michael. Thunderbirds have been showing Americans what our Air Force can do for 57 years now, since 19